and finally we will try to buy a ticket. Sold out. We find
They're gonna wait for us right now.
which one is ours. What is the price? This is Bolt, and this is Speedboat. I'm not sure. Maybe that one. Maybe that one. Restaurants, and it's really very strange. Yes, Seroj?
Yeah, it's a ship, but it's not really. I mean, yeah, technically it's a ship, but it's. I think that there is like cement all over it, and it's not moving, and it's not seaworthy by any means.
And very old.
Yeah.
And a lot of restaurants, but strange restaurants.
It's okay. It's an interesting experience. If you're gonna be in Da Nang, you can walk to the restaurant and you can check it out for free. So why not?
So all ships all together, and we are trying to turn around because yeah, there is a bridge, and everybody trying to see this entertainment. Можем туда прийти? Мы приходим, да?
Yeah, so the ship trip is nice. The cruise, quote unquote, it's a dinner cruise, but it's not that there is nothing to eat. It's an interesting experience. If you're gonna be visiting Da Nang, just come for whatever reason. Like it's $6 per person. You can get a drink. We spend $5 for drinks, so $11, $15 in total.
For 1 hour.
Yeah, like, it's an interesting experience.